Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert a blank scene into your video clips on Canva using the Canva video editor. So let us get started. Alright guys, so head over to your video project here on Canva, and what you want to do is click into this button here, into that plus button next to the last scene of your video clip, and then instead of choosing uploads, videos or photos, select the blank scene. And as you can see, the following scene after this video clip here will be a blank scene like that. Of course, you can make it longer or shorter using that handle. So if you'd like to, I don't know, have a blank scene of 10 seconds length, you can make it like this. And then if you'd like to continue with another video clip from the Canva library or upload your own video clips to this video project, you may click into this button and select either uploads or videos, and then you will be redirected to the Canva video library to select one of these video clips, position it here, and that's it. So now if I move the playhead here to somewhere here inside that blank scene and play it in the preview, you will see that there's actually a blank scene lasting from this video clip to the next one. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.